In primetime news this evening, IMF approves a $1.7 billion precautionary and liquidity line of credit for Jamaica. Industrial Minister taken to task over importation of ganja from Canada. And we take a closer look at the cruise ship ban on Jamaicans wishing to go to Belize.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I am Javon Keys.
And I'm Janela Precious. Coming up in business news, Andrea Chisholm is here with a preview.
Thank you very much, Janela. Now, what is happening at Digicel? The technology minister says he has not been formally told about possible changes to the company structure. That and more in the Business Day.
And we also have Karen Mann here with a preview of what's to come in sports.
Well, Javon, football stakeholders have been grumbling about the poor state of the fields, and football's local governing body has reacted. So what are they saying? I will tell you their response later.
And from sports to weather, Romain has our preview.
Thanks so much, Janela. Continued fair skies, continued strong winds, continued dry conditions cover most of the island as we go into the weekend. I'll have more later.
Thank you so much, Romain. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what's your reaction to news that Jamaica has imported ganja from Canada?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam 1.
Please stay with us. The Primetime News package returns right after this break.